Today I'm going to be showing you how to do split pay with 2 cards or even just cash and card. First, we're going to log in. So whenever your buyer comes up and they're ready to pay, right, we're going to hit pay. And then see at the bottom right, we have cash or card option. So balance due is $26.32. All right, so say hypothetically this person had a $10 bill, right, and they wanted to give you $10 and then pay the rest on card. Pretty simple. We just type in $10, and whenever it says right here for amount tendered, whatever amount is there, it's what is going to be pressed on this button. I know it says $26.32 and $27.37, but it's really $10, right? So if I press cash with $10 typed in right here, it's going to ask me I don't want to pay $10 by cash. I'm going to hit yes. All right, it's going to ask for a receipt. You can print that if you'd like. But now if you look at the balance due right here, it's $16.32, right? So from there, then you can press card and run that transaction through. Or if you wanted to, you can do the exact same thing with 2 cards. Just type in however much you want on the first card, hit card, and the second card will be the remaining balance. So basically whatever amount is tendered is what's going to be on the right for your options. Thank y'all.